Kongaloosh Adventurers, Ryan here for another TMR Tours. Today we're going to Japan's Pavilion to the Kawaii Culture exhibit. Now what this is, it's all about cute culture. So various artists, organizations, and people, and just a culture that has been evolving in Japan is this Kawaii culture. And they have a lot of fun things on display here that you can learn more about this really in-depth piece of their culture. A featured sculpture in this exhibit is the Melty-Go-Round. It's really neat. It's a plastic plexiglass type sculpture, but there's a lot of fun knickknacks inside it that I'm sure you'll recognize from your childhood. One of the things we learned here is that there's actually a cast of characters, so to speak, and Pikachu and Hello Kitty are part of this kawaii cute culture. There is a ton of things on display, from merchandise, toys, houseware, and even bathroom supplies. So if you're into design and clothing, they have some stuff on that, and they even have small things that you display in your home. This exhibit does a great job of showing you a little bit about this kawaii culture, as well as displaying it in various different ways in a friendly and visual manner. This is one of those small things tucked in the back of World Showcase in the Japan Pavilion that you might overlook on your vacation. So next time you're walking around, take a look in some of those back rooms and you might find something different, and you may even learn about some of those other cultures as well. What special things have you seen in the World Showcase of Epcot? Leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kongaloosh.